The kingdom value of unity. In Ephesians 4, we read this: I, therefore, a prisoner of the Lord, urge you to walk in a manner worthy of the calling to which you have been called, with all humility, gentleness, with patience, bearing with one another in love, eager to maintain the unity of the Spirit in the bond of peace. As ministry leaders, we must delicately navigate leading the flock. The world prizes rash and unapologetically aggressive leaders, but ministry favors a posture of thoughtfulness, humility, and gentleness. The world rewards running roughshod over the weak, but ministry favors those who tactfully leave no one behind as we lead the flock to higher ground. The world celebrates decisive action, even if it's divisive, but ministry cherishes unity as a kingdom value. Which one of these influences your leadership? Which kingdom influences your leadership? Are you walking in a manner worthy of the kingdom from which you've been called? Take your leadership cues from the kingdom playbook and not from the ways of the worldly and the unwise. Today, you have a calling to fulfill in the kingdom. Therefore, operate under the values of this kingdom. Today, as you enter into meetings, which kingdom are you representing? Today, as you deal with people, as you solve problems and complete tasks, which one of these two kingdoms dominates your actions?